Is your PC slow? Games lagging? Do you need to upgrade your CPU, RAM, SSD, or GPU? Today I'll explain how each PC component works and when you should upgrade. Let's get started. CPU, the brain of your computer. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of your PC. It handles calculations, runs programs, and manages all tasks. Role of the CPU: executes instructions from apps and the operating system. Affects performance, speed in software, gaming, and multitasking. When to upgrade the CPU: if your CPU is at 100% usage in Task Manager, if apps take too long to open and process, if gaming FPS is low, even at low settings, if video editing and rendering take forever. Best upgrade options: i3 to i5 or Ryzen 3 to Ryzen 5 for better speed, i5 to i7/i9 or Ryzen 5 to Ryzen 7/9 for high-end tasks. Check motherboard compatibility before upgrading. RAM, boosting multitasking. RAM, random access memory, temporarily stores data for quick access. The more RAM you have, the smoother your PC runs. Role of RAM: stores active apps and processes, helps with multitasking and speed. Important for gaming, video editing, and heavy applications. When to upgrade RAM: if apps crash when switching between them, if RAM usage is 80 to 100% in Task Manager, if games lag even with a good GPU. Best upgrade options: 4 GB to 8 GB for basic use, 8 GB to 16 GB for gaming and productivity, 16 GB to 32 GB for professionals and streamers. Always use dual-channel RAM for better performance. Storage: HDD versus SSD versus NVMe. Storage affects how fast your PC boots up, loads files, and runs applications. Types of storage: HDD, hard disk drive, slower but cheaper, good for mass storage, movies, backups. Second SSD, solid-state drive, 3 times faster than HDD, good for Windows and apps. Third NVMe SSD, M.2 SSD, 5 to 10 times faster than HDD. Best for gaming, editing, and fast boot times. When to upgrade storage: if Windows takes too long to start, if apps load slowly, if games have long loading times. Best upgrade options: HDD to SSD, biggest performance boost. SATA SSD, NVMe SSD, if you need extreme speed. Network, internet and Wi-Fi speed. Your network controls your internet speed, gaming ping, and file downloads. Role of network: connects your PC to the internet and other devices. Affects gaming, streaming, and work from home performance. When to upgrade network: if internet speed is slow or unstable, if Wi-Fi signal is weak in some rooms, if gaming ping is high, above 100 milliseconds. Best upgrade options: use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi for stable gaming. Upgrade to Wi-Fi 6 router for better speed. Use mesh Wi-Fi or extenders for large homes. GPU, the graphics powerhouse. The GPU, graphics processing unit, handles visuals, gaming, and video editing. If you have a weak GPU, your games will lag. Types of GPUs: integrated GPU, built into the CPU for basic tasks. Dedicated GPU, a separate card for gaming and rendering. When to upgrade GPU: if FPS is low in games, even on low settings. If video editing lags and takes too long to render. If your GPU is 100% usage in Task Manager. Best upgrade options: integrated GPU to dedicated GPU, GTX or RTX for gaming. GTX 1050, RTX 2060 or higher for modern games. Check power supply PSU before upgrading a GPU. What to upgrade in difficult situations: PC is very slow? Upgrade CPU and RAM. Games lag and FPS drops? Upgrade GPU and RAM. Windows boots slowly? Upgrade to SSD/NVMe. Internet is slow? Upgrade to Wi-Fi 6 or Ethernet. Like this video if it helped. Comment if you have any questions. Subscribe to Yogi PC Tube for more tech tips.